Hey, how's it going? Well, I'm just wondering if anyone wants to buy a Sportsman ATV. I just finished fixing the brakes on this. Those are working fine. I let the grandson take it for a ride around the yard a few times. Then he pulls in the garage and the front diff is leaking. Let me show you. I already took it apart. But the front diff was leaking oil out, dripped all over the garage. So now I'm in the process of fixing that. So I went and ordered a new seal kit, bearing kit, just because, and here it is. It turns out it's the wrong kit. The one seal I need didn't fit, so now I have to return that, and I sourced out some other seals, a couple right there, trying to find the right one. So I finally got one that fits in here nice. This is the housing. So now I'm just going to put it together and see if it's going to work. Okay, so I got the seal here, I got some grease on it. Now this seal fits a little tighter, I think, than original. See if we can get it on there. I got some tape on the splines so it doesn't damage the seal. Okay, that went on nice. There we go. Throw the bolts in. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the drive shaft on. Take this tape off. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that on there, come back when I have it on. Okay, I'm just going to finish hammering that in. I don't think you want to listen to that. So I got the roll pin in. Now I got to fill up the diff with some oil. And we'll start it up and see what happens. Okay, so as I was trying to attempt to remove a drain or the fill plug for the front diff, it has some sort of hex or a Allen key to remove it. I knew I was going to have a problem with this because it's been getting stripped every time I take it out, and for some reason it's in there so tight, and nothing I have here will get it out. So now I have this tap in there, and that's not even working because I have nothing really that will fit on here. It's been stripping it, so now I'm not sure if I can just weld. I'm going to try and weld to this. I'm going to try and weld this nut on here. I don't think it'll take much to get it off. I just have to, get it to crack loose. So if I can tack this on and use my impact to get it out. So I knew this was going to be a problem. I changed the other one on my 07. I just went and got a regular hex nut. And if I get this off, I'll do the same thing. So let me work on this, see if we can get it off. Okay, I got the nut welded. Let's see if we can get this thing out. Okay, so it's going to be hot. Okay, perfect success. So didn't take much, but just needed to be given that jolt. So now I'll go and get a new fill plug. All right, and we'll be set. I'll just show you what I got with this fill plug. I went and bought a regular bolt or regular fill plug with a hex head, but then that wasn't any good because I couldn't get any kind of wrench on it because of where it's located. Kind of it's reset in there. So what I had to do, I welded on a nut so I can get a socket onto it. So now it just fits in like that, and I can tighten it down with a regular socket. Okay, so I'm going to fill it up.